Where's the chat at? Hello? Wake up. Chat, wake up. Oh my god, the chat is broken. We have no record of chat. You guys are not being recorded. You guys are all in my brain. We can't say crazy shit now. Oh, hold up now. Hold up. We got incognito mode. True, that's actually true. I don't want you guys to go incognito mode. I want you guys to be real, okay? This is the only proof that you guys are real and I'm not talking to myself.
Sometimes I just want to break things.
It's all in your head. No, you guys are real. I swear you guys are real. I swear I'm not talking to myself. You guys are real. Nah, stop. Stop, you're not fake. I'm not schizo. Stop it. Stop it. Look at them, ghost riders. Do you think I can call you guys ghost riders if you guys not being recorded like that? Wait, the chat is back. Oh my god, you guys are real.